Hey there. All right, so Abanico. This is now with the thumb up, the two middle fingers, or the two middle fingers, or just a single middle finger down. You can also use all three fingers, no pinky, and then the thumb up. So up with the thumb, some version of fingers here, down, and then you go down with your thumb, okay? So we go up, see how my whole hand, so up, my whole hand is above all the strings. Down, my thumb stays above the string. Now my thumb drops. And I go up, and my whole hand comes up, drop my fingers, then drop my thumb. If I drop my fingers and my thumb, and then I have to lift it to go back down, the mechanics are all wrong. So make sure to watch the quick study on Abanico and all the Abanico work we've done before. And that's why I highly recommend doing the monthly program, is because then you'll have work like this every month until we get better and better and better, okay? So I'm going to do 3 different tempo settings, because if you don't do this slow, if you don't have it right and you're not doing it slow, if you don't have it right and you're trying to do it fast, then you're going to be totally messed up. So try to do this really slow and do it really, really well, okay? I have it at 76, okay? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, we go. So now we're going to take it up to 116, just because that's where the metronome stopped. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to take it all the way up to like 176. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you heard me a few times in multiple of these where I did in the second measure, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, and stopped there. That's fine as a variation. I apologize that I didn't do it as written each time. But as written is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2. So notice as I go faster, my hand moves less and less. So as you go slow, as you're learning this, you're going to be extending your fingers. And sometimes when you go slow, you do extend your fingers. But when you go fast, you don't really... I'm not extending my fingers. Okay? So, anyway, lots of other previous work done with that. So hopefully you've done that and that this seems pretty doable to you. Just go slow, okay? Speed will come with time as long as you just give it time. Give yourself time to do it right, well, for a long time, and it'll happen, okay? I've had students get this in 2 weeks. I've had students take 8 months. So, and I was actually one of those it took me 5 months of serious practice to get this, okay? So just keep on working. Good luck. Let me know what questions you have. Okay, thank you.